In a world where automotive transportation is a must, some people insist on servicing and repairing their cars on their own, making a mechanic's job a living nightmare. This customer brought their vehicle in, and it was so rusted out that they had to remove the fuel relay to stop the customer from trying to drive this death trap home.
Alors ici, on a un magnifique Saturnion, très très beau, avec juste quelques petits trous dans le plancher, qui est un petit peu défoncé.
Check la couette de fil du GCM qui pose en avec.
Il n'y a plus de rocker. Les hausses à gaz raboutées avec des collets. La tank à gaz qui est en train de passer à travers. Puis, le meilleur bout, c'est le frame Bluetooth. Ça, c'est une nouvelle technologie pour alléger la carrosserie des voitures.
This customer brought their vehicle in complaining that their dashboard sounded wet and as if water was sloshing around in the interior and wanted to know why. This customer brought their vehicle in after changing their own oil, complaining that it was blowing a lot of smoke. The mechanic later found out that the oil change happened on a sloped driveway and the oil reading was incorrect when topping up.
I don't think there's gonna be any water in there.
No.
Was the coolant tank full?
Just looks like
This customer brought their vehicle in after overheating, stating that the overflow bottle is acting like a volcano and wanted to know why.
Something's going on in there. Mud.
Thanks for watching this episode of Customer States. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and remember to stay safe.